Yo, Jtex, more you pre that meds dog.
What kind of meds that now?
Alright, listen to that scenario, yeah. You always hear say, yo, I asteroid kill off the dinosaur them though.
Yeah, me here, but what's your point, bro?
Yo, brother, what if the same asteroid was just a spaceship and now we are the alien them?
Go. Pick up a book and read and keep your shaggy to yourself.
If you reach this far in our video, like, share, subscribe if you're new, and leave a comment. There's going to be a link in the description. My G when name Tension, yeah, bad artist. Yeah, if you go over there and do the right, he nah let you down none tall. So just do the right. You see it, and I'm out.